Well, dear people, that was the first half of our laboratory work. Manufacturing of locators. Now we need to produce the beam. What does it mean to produce a beam? You see, the beam it's already exists. It's welded and welded rather roughly. As you may see, real ones they're even more rough. No one interested in very much high accuracy of these empty. They are called barrels. Now, we are interested only in correct position, not even all locator, but in correct position of this axis of hole, correct position of these holes. And we suppose to have here system of holes, as you might see in the toyish jig that is not far from the door. Да? We are interested to see, to align all these holes in correct position according to the drawing of the beam itself once again. And how we're going to do this? In our coordinate table, we have seen the system of holes, but no system of holes in this table, yes? And what's this thing at all? It's also mock-up. It's a mock-up of instrumental stand in size 1 to 5. And in real life, these instrumental stands, they are huge, as I have already mentioned in other videos that you have got before laboratory class. Because of not good light, you can't see it now. But when it comes closer, you see it also has system of holes. Sorry, how to do it better. But certainly, scale is the same as I said, 1 to 5. Certainly, these holes are on greater distance. It's not 50 millimeters or 1 centimeter, which we have seen in coordinate table. Where another holes? Look, we have vertical ruler with such holes. You see it, да? Along the height. And we have longitudinal ruler with such holes along all the table. But now distance between these holes is, let's do it less, no, doesn't work, greater but not less, okay. Distance between holes is 200 millimeters. Why? As I said already, the general size, the overall size of instrumental stand, some meters, and these some meters with holes of each 5 centimeters, it will be too much expensive. And in contrary to what we did in first half of laboratory work, where we had 2 coordinates only, in a plane actually. Yes, we had 2 flow of rulers, but it was anyway in the same plane. It was a horizontal plane. It doesn't come about measuring something in third coordinate. Here we have 3 coordinates along the table, where my pointer is, along the table, with height, with respect to the top, upward, and third coordinate is here, transversal ruler. Longitudinal ruler, vertical ruler, transversal ruler. Altogether we have 3 coordinate rulers which may help us to measure something. How they may measure something? You see here the wheel. In real life, of course, it's supposed to be engine. Usually it's electrical engine. In our laboratory toy, we have engine drive. In the view of student, let me not to move it right now. Once again, you have seen it in previous video. And what is idea of measuring here? This ruler, it's movable up and down. And you may hang here onto this ruler special adaptive fittings. This one. These adaptive fittings will interrupt video, sorry.